Hi guys, Mr. M here, Beast Double Arrow. Okay, so we about to open another trade here as usual. Okay, as you guys can see, it's a live account. Yes, it's a live account. So we're gonna open up 15 trades or maybe 20 trades. Okay, that's how confident we are in our software. Okay, might win, might lose, we don't know, but we're following the rules of the system. So here we go. So we're gonna buy. Okay, so we're gonna buy there. All right. Okay, so we're gonna place another buy, and we're placing another buy. Yes, and we're placing another buy. Okay, so that's 4, 5, that's 6, and we're doing it live, guys. We're doing it live in front of you. Okay, to prove we got confidence in our software. That's the bottom line. We got confidence in our software. Okay, we know when to enter. We just don't go take any random trade. We follow our rules. Okay, and you can go look on the channel. There's a lot of videos that's explained to you how we take our trades. Okay, so opened up 15 trades in front of you. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. And the date, yes, it's the 1st of June. My goodness, where did the year go? We're in the half of the year again. Half of the year gone. Okay, so that's the time, the date there at the bottom. As you can see, you can go verify it on your own chart. You can go check this on your own chart. That's my current time in my country. Okay, and it's the NZD USD. Okay, and as usual, okay, we just trade on live accounts. Okay, I open the trades up in front of you guys live. All right, so what we're gonna do, we're gonna pause this video. Okay, we are gonna pause this video, and then I will come back with the update. Okay, whether the trade is in a loss or in a profit. Okay, that's it. Okay, I'm not saying all my trades is profitable. Okay, I do have losses as well, but as long as your losses is less than your winning trades, okay, so your winners is more, your losses is less, you're going to be profitable at the end of the day. Okay, so we currently 33, 30, well, 40 pips in a minus. Okay, drawdown of, okay, there 45 pips in the drawdown. Okay, but what we're gonna do, okay, so I think we're gonna open up another 5 trades. Okay, so then we're gonna run at 20 trades. Okay, so let's open up another 1, 2, 3, 4, and let me see, that's 19, and that's 20 trades live in front of you. Okay, so this is Mr. M standing by. I will chat to you guys later, okay, to bring you an update whether the trade win or whether the trade lose. Okay, Mr. M standing by. Ciao for now. Hi guys, Mr. M here, Beast Double Arrow. Okay, so we're back again, guys. It took quite some time, okay, but we're patient. We're patient. We don't rush into anything. Okay, like I always say, patience pays. Okay, if you have patience in trading, you will get rewarded. Okay, so so we're still in a live account. Okay, we're sorry about that. Where I paused the video, I think I was quite a couple of pips in a minus. Okay, so this is a continuation. Like I told you guys, I'm gonna come back and whether the trade won or whether the trade was in a loss. Okay, now we currently 350, 345 pips in a positive. Okay, we still got our 20 trades open. Okay, that we started with, as you guys can see here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. And the date is still the same. Obviously the time changed. I think that was around about in the London session when I opened this trade. Okay, so it's still the 1st of the 6th month 2022. Okay, still out 20 trades. And yes, as usual, still in the live account, guys. Still in the live account. Okay, nothing changed. Okay, you can go verify this on your own chart. Okay, you can go verify this move on your own chart. Today is the 1st of the 6th month 2022. Depends when you watch this video, but yeah, you can go verify this trade on your own chart. Okay, I think we entered around about somewhere here, or was it somewhere here? I know somewhere in this region we entered. Okay, somewhere here we entered somewhere here. But we trust our software. Okay, we have confidence in our software. Okay, that's why we can open 20 trades at a time. I mean, live in front of you guys, just 20 trades open. Okay, all right. Like I said again, I don't say my software wins 100% of the time, but I know definitely it wins more than it loses. Okay, so that's why it gives me the confidence to open so much trades. Okay, at the same time, and like I said, live account. As a live account, as you guys can see here. Okay, I still want to see on YouTube, okay, people that's selling the software, okay, opening so much trades in front of you on a live account. I need to see that. Well, maybe there is people, mentors or software people that sell software. I want to see they do that. Okay, so I'm doing it. As you guys can see, I've got confidence in my software, and we're still going up with 395 pips in the profit. But like I say, we're not greedy. Okay, I think what we're gonna start doing now, yes, you guys guessed it, we are gonna start closing our trades now, because I mean we made enough. And guys, you don't have to trade every day. You don't have to trade every day. If the opportunity is there, take the trade. If you don't see it, close your charts, close your computer, come back again, and check if the opportunity is there. There with over 400 pips in the profit. I mean, I'm live with you guys. You can see how the pips is moving here. I'm live with 13% in the profit. Okay, 13% in a day. That's a hell of a lot of money. To make 13% on your account per day, guys, that's a lot. Okay, and I mean 413 pips in one trading day, that's a lot. People make that in a week. Some people make it in a month. Okay, but we're confident in our software, and this is what our software can achieve. Okay, and so before 19 pips in the profit, guys, I don't want to hold you guys. I don't want to bore you too much. You can watch the video at your own time, and you can go verify this trade on your own chart, and you can be the judge of it if it's worth your while. Okay, so let me start closing the trades in front of you. Okay, so we're closing probably 413 pips in the profit. Okay, 415 pips. Okay, so we're starting to close now. That's 19. That's 18 trades left. That's the 17 trades left. Just give me 1 second, guys. Okay, so yeah, we're starting to close now. The market is still moving up. Isn't that lovely? in a live account. Okay. I should have held on to it, man. I shouldn't have closed it. It would have been over 500 pips. Okay, but like I said, we're not greedy, guys. We're closing. Okay, we made enough, so we're closing. Okay. Okay, so we're closing. So we got how much more to close? We got 15 more to go. Okay. We got 14 more to go. So I can still hold on to this trade, guys, but like I say, we are not greedy. Okay, we are not greedy at all. Okay, we know when enough is enough. Okay, we know when enough is enough. So we got 11 more to close. Okay, we got 10 more to close. Okay, we got what? We got 8 more to close. This is just not ending, guys, but we're almost there. We got 6 more to close. More to close. What's that? 74. Okay, let's close that one. There we go. There we go. All closed, guys. Okay, so over 400 pips banked. I'm happy. And yeah, that is all from me. Please leave a like, share, comment to this video. And if you got any questions, feel free to WhatsApp us, email us, leave a comment below, and we'll get back to you. Okay, this is Mr. M standing by. Ciao for now.